Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Favor State and Tutorial. If it's the first time of seeing this face, welcome. This is the tutorial master. I don't know if I'm the tutorial master, but I'm here to share with you guys all the experiences on how to grow your channel, because I had a channel that I grew up to 14,000 subscribers, and I'm here with that tips giving you. I'm here on this channel giving you guys the tips on how you can grow your channel to that point if you're interested. So guys, let's dive into the video today. Yes, why do you need to create up a YouTube channel? Who needs a YouTube channel? Yes. Okay, let's start with this video today. Okay, you are a young girl, you are a young boy, you're a mom, your dad. Okay, you're a working class lady, working class man, you're a lady, you're a gentleman. Yes, everybody needs YouTube channel. Everybody needs a YouTube channel. Yes. I know you have a 9-to-5 job. Everybody wants to work and make money, but who needs a YouTube channel? You need a YouTube channel, because that is like, I don't know, YouTube is like passion. Let me just think it's passion. It's something that you grow to like along the way, even if you don't like it at the first point. Along the line, you're going to grow to like it because it's enjoyable, it's fun. It's like what I love most about YouTube is their live stream. Like, you catch up with different people from different countries, you chat, you learn about their culture, you interact, and it brings so much joy. That joy that it brings is unimaginable. I'm telling you guys. So guys, if you're someone that has a 9-to-5 job, I'll applaud you today to create a YouTube channel. Yes, I don't actually know the title that I'm going to give this video, but I'm applauding you today to create a YouTube channel. You as a mom, you as a housewife, stay-at-home mom, you as a dad, you work 9-to-5. Create a time for yourself. You need a YouTube channel. You don't necessarily need too much for you to create a channel. All you need is your email address. Then you need your phone. Probably everybody has a phone. Yes. Okay, you need a phone to create a content, or you need a camera. Yes. But you need a YouTube channel. You that is watching me today, why haven't you created your own YouTube channel? Oh yeah, answer me. Give me an answer why you haven't created your own YouTube channel. You need a YouTube channel to grow. You need a YouTube channel to learn about so many things, learn about so many countries, learn about so many cultures. Like, you literally need YouTube for everything. Haven't you come across a situation in your life whereby you're searching for something, how to make some, okay, let's say for instance you're learning how to cook, then you're searching how to make a salad. What pops, just think what comes into your mind, what pops into your mind, and you reflect and say, okay, let me just search on YouTube. You go over to Google and you search on Google is going to refer you to YouTube, because there are so many videos on how to make salad on YouTube. They're not going to refer you to YouTube for you to go over there and search and watch that particular video. You see why you need a YouTube channel. Okay, you're trying to solve something. Let's say you're trying to solve an arithmetic, mathematics, just an equation or so. You see some people searching online, how to search on Chrome, search on Google, how to solve so. But you see, once you go over to YouTube, you're going to see someone has already made a video of that. You see how YouTube is live. YouTube is like everything and more. I don't know how to classify it. Everything and more. Like, it gives you that joy to know that you can actually go somewhere and seek help. YouTube is help. It will help you to solve your problems, to help you actually make money on the go. Yes, you're making money on the go. Like, I don't even know where this video is heading to, but I'm here to applaud that you need a YouTube channel. You as a boy, you as a girl, you as a woman, man, you as a young child, you need YouTube. YouTube helps you to store all your memories. You can come over in years to just come and watch yourself. You'll be like, this is how I look years back, so it helps to also store your memory, store all your memories for you. You won't even lose them because they are all there. As long as you don't delete the video, it's all there for you. So I applaud you today. As soon as you come across this video, make sure that you go over to create your own YouTube channel. And do not forget, this is Favors Tips and Tutorial. I'm here to encourage you on your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching this video to this point. I appreciate it so much. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'll see you on another one. Bye.